Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, swing your legs out of bed, and suddenly, whoosh! Instead of falling onto the floor, you float straight up and hit the ceiling. Gravity, the invisible force that normally pulls us down, has reversed. Now it's pushing everything upward. At first, it would be pure comedy. Your breakfast cereal would fly out of the bowl, your orange juice would hover in midair, and you'd have to chase your toothbrush around the bathroom like a floating fish. Step outside, and things get even wilder. Cars would lift off the road like balloons. Dogs would be barking while drifting into the clouds, and trees would pull their roots out of the ground and shoot into the sky like rockets. Imagine trying to hold onto your cat. Bye, Mr. Whiz! But the funny part quickly turns into a serious problem. Oceans, lakes, and rivers would all rise upward. A giant upside-down waterfall of water would stream into space. And remember, our atmosphere, the air we breathe, is also held down by gravity. If gravity reversed, the air would float away, leaving us gasping with no oxygen. Earth itself would start to fall apart. Gravity is the glue that holds our planet, mountains, and oceans together. Without it pulling inward, Earth would break apart into pieces, drifting away into space. So sadly, life as we know it could not survive if gravity reversed. The good news? Gravity is one of the strongest and most stable forces in the universe. It doesn't randomly flip or change direction. For billions of years, it has kept our feet on the ground, our oceans in place, and our air safe around us. So tonight, when you lie down in bed, don't worry about floating off into space. Gravity's got you covered. Just maybe don't try eating soup upside down.